Way up, I feel pressure.
Happy Sunday. It is June 8th and we are starting our vacation. We're on our way to Myrtle Beach. We're all packed in the car. And we are heading to the beach. So I will check in. Miracle too. Miracle's going. Ain't playing with your heart cause that's too much to lose. But you ain't bulletproof. Have faith in me. Cause everything I have is yours. Alright, so we are making our first stop. We're stopping at McDonald's. Some family members are going to eat. I'm not. Because I don't eat McDonald's. And I'm not hungry. But we're going to get gas. Let Merakle out so he can pee. And we back on the road. He didn't do it that time. Yeah, that's an Airbnb. Yeah, I didn't see that. So guys, we have made it to Myrtle Beach. We are at I'll show you all where we're staying, but I'm dropping off the people who rode with us. Ouch. Whew. A Merakle.
She's going up on her, guys. I'm racing the mother.
Oh my goodness. Not on the ground. Right here. Alright, so we are in our suite. This is the kitchen. The dining room. It's pretty small. The living room. There is a nice view. Definitely a nice view. Let's see what else. This is definitely small. This is the bedroom. Yeah, we gotta find, where's the pass? Oh, maybe it's over there.
The what?
The parking pass, and this is the bathroom. It's okay. Alrighty, so we have made it to our suite. I'm not, honestly, my honest opinion, I'm not too pleased. I feel like, and maybe I just don't know where to look, but I feel like all of the resorts in Myrtle Beach are just kind of run down and old and outdated. But this is okay. This is gonna have to do because we already paid for 7 nights. I feel like I want to get a hotel, but That'll be a waste of money. So anyway, the view is absolutely amazing. I'm suffering with sinuses. So I'm sniffing and sneezing and blowing my nose. But I did take a Claritin, so I'm hoping that it clears up by tomorrow. Kid far out by himself. I hope somebody's watching him. He's going further and further, trying to catch a wave. Hey y'all, so I am sitting in the car. I do not feel well. Merakle is right here. We are actually getting food to take back to the Airbnb because we're just going to stay in tonight, and hopefully tomorrow I wake up and I feel better. We went to Walmart and we went to Publix to grab some things. And I am going to shower when I get back to the Airbnb, eat, and chill because I do not feel well. I've been blowing my nose all day. I've been sneezing all day. I don't know. When I go back home, I'm going to have to make an appointment to an ear, nose, and throat doctor. Because I don't know if it's allergies. I don't know if it's sinuses. I'm not sure if I'm allergic to something in my apartment or if I'm allergic to my dog now. But I feel like every 2 to 3 weeks, I'm coming down with a common cold or just like symptoms. And it'll last for maybe about a day or two. So I did take a Claritin. My sister gave me a Claritin, and I guess I'm gonna see if it clears it up. If it does, my nose is itching now. If it does, then I would think that it's sinuses. Oh, God bless me. Like vacation and sick. But I just wanted to check in and let y'all know what was going on. Hopefully tomorrow I feel better and I can do some things. But tonight we're just going to kind of eat, chill, relax. Merakle is exhausted. He's been on the road all day. We've been out and about all day, so I know he's tired. He's ready to eat and just lay down for the night. God's creation. This is breathtaking. Oh, Lordy. This is Merakle's first time on the beach. On sand. Walking on sand. Probably going to those people. This is so beautiful. Are you waiting for me? You don't like them? Underneath it. There we go.
Be quiet, I'm doing a toast.